Creating an Amazon account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide with detailed instructions for setting up an Amazon account in the USA. Step 1. Visit Amazon.com. Open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Step 2. Click Hello, Sign in the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Click on Hello, Sign in. Step 3. Click Create your Amazon account. Below the login fields, click on Create your Amazon account. Step 4. Enter your name and email. Fill in your name and email address. Re-enter your email address to confirm it. Step 5. Create a password. Create a secure password for your Amazon account. Passwords should be at least 6 characters long. Step 6. Click Continue. After entering your information, click Continue. Step 7. Enter your mobile phone number. Amazon will ask for your mobile phone number for added security and account recovery purposes. Click Continue. Step 8. Verify your mobile phone number. Amazon will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the provided field and click Continue. Step 9. Provide your home address. Fill in your home address, including street address, city, state, and zip code. Click Continue. Step 10. Set your language and country preferences. Choose your preferred language and country/region. Click Continue. Step 11. Create your Amazon profile. You can create a public Amazon profile or skip this step if you prefer not to. Click Continue. Step 12. Review your information. Review the information you've provided to ensure it's accurate. If everything looks correct, click Create your Amazon account. Step 13. Sign in. You'll be redirected to the Amazon homepage, and you should now be signed into your Amazon account. Your Amazon account in the USA is now set up and ready to use. You can start shopping, managing your orders, and, if you decide to become a seller, you can use the same account to access Amazon Seller Central to sell products. Remember to keep your login information secure, as your Amazon account will contain personal and financial details. Create Amazon Seller Account, USA. Creating an Amazon Seller Central account in the USA involves several steps. Prepare your information. Ensure you have a valid email address. Have your business information ready, including your legal business name, address, and contact details. Visit Amazon Seller Central. Go to Amazon Seller Central. Create your account. Click on Sign Up to create a new Amazon account. Choose I am a new seller and click Sign in using our secure server. Seller Agreement. Review and accept Amazon Seller Agreement. Provide your business information. Enter your legal business name, display name, your store name, and a brief business description. Enter your billing and deposit information. Tax information. Provide your tax information, including your taxpayer ID. Identity verification. Amazon may require identity verification, which can include providing personal information or documents. Choose a selling plan. Select between an individual or professional selling plan. The professional plan has a monthly fee but offers additional features. Product categories. Choose the product categories you plan to sell in. Add product listings. Start adding product listings to your account. You'll need to provide details about the products you plan to sell. Set up shipping. Configure your shipping settings, including shipping methods and rates. Complete your account setup. Review and complete any remaining account setup steps. Start selling.